Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI new gaming screen with popular MPG series, a model that showcase at CES 2025 next week. So friends, the MPG 242R X60N is a 24.1-inch screen with 600Hz refresh rate with rapid TN fill panel, and the smaller LCD screen are still popular for competitive and e-sport gaming, and the latest 600Hz refresh rate panel offering something even higher than current 540Hz option. So friend, this monitor is supported by adaptive sync for VRR, and the screen will be certified under the AMD FreeSync Premium Pro scheme, and gaming features are of course a focus with MSI gaming intelligent app support as well as things like AI vision and AI Crosshair included. So friend, the connectivity port including USB Type-C connection is listed with 98-watt power delivery, which should also have DP Alt mode and data delivery, and we expect to see DisplayPort 1.4 and HDMI 2.0, and KVM switch function is also listed, and the screen will support user updatable firmware. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.